Hello everyone, this is Mukesh Kumar, Head of Department Mechanical Engineering. Today this is your first lecture of third semester. So we are going to discuss some important features and important things which you will have in this semester. So first of all, I would like to explain the scheme of Bikaner Technical University for your third semester Mechanical Engineering. As you can see this in this window, this is the detailed scheme of third semester Mechanical Engineering. And in this, it is written that Rajasthan Technical University quota, that's because of Bikaner Technical University is adopted all the scheme and syllabus from Rajasthan Technical University. So there is no big problem. These are the same things that Rajasthan Technical University or Bikaner Technical University. So you will have all these subjects in this semester, and what the weightage and what the marks they will have, we will discuss in this lecture. First of all, first subject is your engineering, advanced engineering mathematics, and Mr. Kalyan Singh will teach you this subject. It has 3 credit and 150 marks. Second subject, there are 2 optional subjects, technical communication and managerial economics and financial accounting. In this semester, we will adopt managerial economics and financial accounting, and the technical communication will be in your 4th semester, and it will have 2 credits and 100 marks. Third one is engineering mechanics. Mr. Surendra Kumar will teach you engineering mechanics. It will have 2 credit and 100 marks. It will be purely numerical based subject, so you have to carefully about it for your studies. Then engineering thermodynamics. You have also some knowledge about engineering thermodynamics in your physics of 11th or 12th. So it will be easy for you to understand all the thermodynamics and related processes. It also has 3 credits and 150 marks weightage. Then you will have material science and engineering. It has 3 credit and 150 marks. It is a very simple and interesting subject which will describe all the materials and properties of materials, behavior of materials and their compositions. Then you will have mechanics of solid. It has a vast syllabus and most tough subject of this semester, so you have to be very careful about this subject. It also have maximum weightage of this semester, 200 marks and 4 credit. So these are the basic theory subjects. These are you going to teach in this semester, and you also have some practical subjects for this semester. These are machine drawing practice. This is similar for practical geometry and machine drawing of first and second semester. This is the advanced version of machine drawing. In the second semester, you have completed some sheets or machine drawing components, machine components, but in this semester you have to complete the assembly of these components and assembly of various machine components in the drawing sheet. You will have some components at different diagrams. You have to assemble them in your mind, then you can assemble them on your sheet. So it will be very interesting as a mechanical engineer, and it will also have 1.5 credit and 75 marks weightage. Second lab is material testing lab. Material testing lab has 75 marks and 1.5 weightage, and in this lab you will test all the properties of material in practical laboratories. For that we have various testing machines like universal testing machine, UTM, hardness testing machine. So you can easily check all the hardness and the strength of the material on practical basis in front of your eyes, that which you are going to study is correct or not. So it will be also very interesting lab. Then you will have basic mechanical engineering lab, that also has 1.5 credit and 75 marks. In this lab you will learn about some assembly and disassembly of mechanical component. Assembly and disassembly is a very important factor in mechanical engineering, just because if you have a component or a machine, you will not learn what the mechanics it has, but if you disassemble or assemble that component, you can learn everything about these components. So it will be very interesting for you. Then we have a software lab using MATLAB. And the name of the lab is programming using MATLAB. Also weightage is the same, 1.5 credit and 75 marks. In this lab you will learn how to use MATLAB, what is the use of MATLAB in mechanical engineering, and which functions are useful for you. Then you will have industrial training of 1 credit and 50 marks. It is the same which you have completed in this summer training. That's of 21 days training in your summer. So you have to prepare a report regarding this training, and then you have to complete a PPT and present what you learn in this summer training. So when you explain everything through the PPT and represent a report, according to that you will get the marks. Next component is the social outreach, discipline and extracurricular activities. So you can see according to his names that you have what the social outreach you have according to your discipline, and your involvement in extracurricular activities will give you the 25 marks and 0.5 credit. So this is all for today, and the total marks of the third semester is 1225 and the credit is 24.5 of this semester. So thank you so much. Hope you all understand about the scheme. Now in the next lecture we will consider about our introduction of engineering thermodynamics. That will be our first lecture of introduction. Thank you so much.